Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a Minecraft video. Today is Saturday, so for Skit Saturday, I'm going to be giving you a skit in Minecraft. I know I'm not like most you. Have you guys seen those YouTubers that make these really cool like videos? Yeah, I'm not that qualified yet. Okay, so today's video is going to be an attempt at a skit, and let's give this a go. And it's Jesus dying on the cross and rising again. And here goes. What a beautiful morning this is. The moon is so going down. Ah! Oops. My animals are all nurtured. Let us go get some breakfast and enjoy this beautiful fine morning. I wonder what Jesus is up to right now. Maybe he's preaching again. He's really good at that. Let's see what's for breakfast. Iron? Nah. I got an egg, that's all I have for breakfast? No. Fine, I won't eat this morning. Wait a minute. I remembered something. Jesus is gonna die on the cross today. Oh no, I gotta hurry up. I was supposed to be there. Oh no. Oh no, I think I already missed it. Oh no, oh no. Please don't die, Jesus. Please don't die. Please don't die, Jesus. Please, no. I don't want Jesus to die. Why did Jesus have to die? He didn't do nothing wrong. He was an ordinary man. He was just the son of God. No. Oh my gosh, no. Jesus, no! Why, Jesus? Why? Oh my gosh, no! 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 I'm gonna go hide somewhere. I'm gonna go hide in my house. I can't take this. No, 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 no. What did they come for me? Because I was with Jesus. No. I don't want them to kill me. No. I gotta hide. I gotta go. I gotta hide. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Ah. The sea. Oh no. I wonder what time it is. The sun's setting. I must go to bed. I think Jesus is gonna be buried tomorrow. Maybe, oh, he was buried today, but I missed it. Oh, I'll go look at the tomb tomorrow. We just go to sleep right now. Ah. Good morning. What is today? Today is a great day. Wait a minute. Jesus was died yesterday. He was buried yesterday. Ah! I must go check on him. I think I just broke glass in my house. Let's hope nothing's wrong down there, because I ain't got time for this. I gotta go. I have to be very careful when I fly, because they must not know I'm a superhuman. If I'm a superhuman, they must not know. Yes, there he is. Yes. Oh, there's his tomb. Stop right there. Who said that? Hello? The angel of the Lord. Yes, sir. Do I need to bow? No need to bow. Just get off this property. We stand guard of this tomb. Anyone who tries to break through will die.
Hey, Hercules.
Yes, sir. I'll leave right now, sir. Good. Go and never come back. This is not a place for you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm leaving right now. I'm leaving right now. Okay. Where can I go? Yes, I know. I'll go to my beautiful house. Actually, no, I'm gonna go to, no, I'm gonna go to my house. I'm going to go right over here to this beautiful house. I'm going to hide in this house. Because I never want to see humanity again. They killed my Jesus, my Savior. He was such a good. Why did you have to die like that? Oh no. This part always scares me. I feel like I'm gonna fall off the edge. Oh, oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Okay, here we go. We're all safe now. We're all safe. Ah. Yes. Beautiful. Ah. 3 days have passed in this beautiful house. Let us go and see what Jesus is doing right now. I know he's dead, but like, I'd have to keep a close distance and see what he's like doing and everything, because, you know, I gotta look out for my Jesus. Okay, let's go. Here we go. Sorry, I like to make music when I fly. Let's go over yonder. Right? Let's go up the steps. Wait, why is the tomb open? He looks like he raised from the dead. I can't believe that. He must have gone somewhere else. Wait, why is his robes there? Wait a minute. You say he raised from the dead? Yeah, he raised from the dead. Catch up, man. Jesus alive? Yes! Woohoo! Yeah! I must go to church. I must go to the church. Yes, Jesus is alive. Jesus is alive. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Guess what? Jesus. Wait, why is anybody here? Oh, there's janitor. He's over there. Janitor, do you know Jesus is alive? Hey, we're all meeting at the big school. We're all doing a celebration. Get on, man. Let's go. Yay! Let's go have a celebration. Jesus is alive. Woohoo! Yeah! Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did not, leave a comment down below what you want to see next. Smash the like button. Let's try to get at least 15 likes. And please, please subscribe. And I hope you guys have a blessed Easter tomorrow and have a blessed rest of your day. Thank you once again for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.